Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Film Directors, the best TV show to meet your favorite directors. Today we will have an interview with Michael Bay from the Transformers series. We'll welcome him and let the show go on. Hello, we are here to meet the Transformers main director, Michael Bay. And the first question is, which city did you grow up, and how did it influence your directing? And who inspired you, and were there any influence in directing by that person? I grew up in LA, California. I always used my childhood memory from LA to make my films very interesting and unique. I am no one who inspired me to become a director. However, working as a George Lucas team inspired me to become one. And I was 15 years old when I was inspired by it, and his film made me decide to become a director permanently for my career. And how did you get into film industry and why? I first joined the film industry when I worked as an intern for George Lucas's film. I was just an intern at the beginning. And what is your educational background, and where did you learn film concepts? I attended and graduated Wesleyan University in 1986 to learn more about filming and filming concepts. Also, I graduated Art Center College of Design in Pasadena as my graduate school to pursue my job as a director. What obstacles did you face along the way to becoming a successful director? Some of the obstacles that I faced was that I had many critics who criticized my artworks. Also, many people thought that it was not impressive even though I tried my best. Some actors and actresses also had conflicts with me, and actually numerous times, about money, and I also had hardship about the fact that my films actually take longer than any other kinds of film. Why did you become so successful, and which movie lifted you up to this status? I think I became successful because I always tried hard and with my efforts despite the critics that criticized me harshly. I also had long period of experience, and I have many good film directors whom I worked with. And I think Transformers series is the one that made me to come into this status in these days. And it was the greatest hit in my life yet. And our final question. What are the two mostly effects used in your film? The two of the most used effects that I think I use are the huge explosions that I use every time in Transformers recently, and the slow motions. I use huge explosions to show excitement and intensity to the movie itself. I use slow motion to show the details that can be ignored when it was really fast and passed quickly. Those are the two effects that I use.
Wow!
Thank you for your cooperation. No problem.